Solution of a quadratic equation by the method of completing the square. For this method, we need to follow the 7 steps. Okay, step 1 is transpose constant to RHS. In this case, we need to transpose constant term to RHS. That means AX square plus BX equals C. That form we need to get to solve a quadratic equation by the method of completing the square method. Then the second thing is the coefficient of x square should be 1. That means A is equal 1. If A is not equal 1, then what we should do? Divide all the terms by that coefficient of x square A. Okay. The next third step is we need to take the square of half of the coefficient of x. That means we need to take b by 2 whole square. B by 2 whole square. Then we should add that on both sides. On LHS and on RHS, we should add b by 2 whole square. Then fifth step is LHS will be either a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square form. Now our LHS will be the expanded form of a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Okay, then we write that as that form a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. Next, step 6 is we need to take the square root on both sides. Okay, both sides we can take the square root. Now we can transpose and find the value of x. Okay, we can do exercise 4.3, then you can understand the steps more clearly. Okay. Now exercise 4.3, first section, find the roots of the following by completing the square method. So this is the question. 2x square minus 7x plus 3 equals 0. So what is the first step? We need to write the equation in the form ax square plus bx equals c. That means we need to transpose the constant term to RHS. So here the constant term is on LHS. So we need to transpose this to RHS. So this become 2x square minus 7x equal negative 3. 0 minus 3 is negative 3. Then what is the second step? Coefficient of x square should be 1. But here it is 2. So we need to divide all the terms by 2. Then the first term become x square. Second term become minus 7 by 2x equal the constant become negative 3 by 2. Okay. Then second step over. First step, write the constant on RHS. The next step is coefficient of x square is not equal 1. Then we divide all the terms by that coefficient. Now the third step is we need to take the square of half of b. That means 7 by 2 is b here. What is the b coefficient of x is negative 7 by 2. So here b is negative 7 by 2 and by 2 half of b, that means by 2, then its square. Okay, this is equal negative 7 by 2 into multiply by the reciprocal. That will be equal negative 7 by 4 whole square. That will be 49 by 16. Positive 49 by 16. So what we should take? B by 2 whole square. Okay, B means here. What is B? Next step is we need to add that B by 2 whole square on both sides. So when we write that here, then we should write this 7 by 4 whole square. Okay. This negative 7 by 4 become positive 7 by 4 square. When we take square, it should be positive. So on left side when we add that, we should add this 7 by 4 whole square, squared form. Right side we can add this answer. Anyway, we add the 7 by 4 square on both sides. But in the left side when we add this form we should add. Right side we should add this answer form. Okay. Now we got x square minus 7 by 2x plus 7 by 4 whole square equal negative 3 by 2 plus 49 by 16. The next step is we should get LHS is in the form a plus b whole square or a minus b whole square. It should be like that. Okay. So here it is a square minus 2ab plus b square. Here minus means it is in the form of a minus b whole square. Then here x square means a is x. Here 7 by 4 whole square means b is 7 by 4. No need to bother about this. From here we took the symbol. Okay. From this square root of x square is x. 7 by 4 whole square's square root will be 7 by 4. That means we should write this bracket and from here x. This symbol minus then minus. If it is plus will be plus. Okay. Right side we can simplify as cross multiplication method or LCM method. Here I took LCM method. For that I change this 2 as 2 into 8, 16. So negative 3 into 8, negative 24. Now here denominators are same. So we do the operation on numerator. Then negative 24 plus 49 by 16 equal. Subtract and put the biggest number sign, that will be 25 by 16. So x minus 7 by 4 whole square is 25 by 16. Next step we need to take the square root on both sides. Taking square root on both sides. When we take the square root here, then we get x minus 7 by 4 itself. This square will go. Then root of 25 by 16 means root of 25 is 5. Root of 16 is 4. It will be plus or minus. So x minus 7 by 4 is equal positive 5 by 4. Then x will be what? 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4, that is equal 5 plus 7, 12 by 4, that is equal 3. Then we can give x minus 7 by 4 as negative 5 by 4. So negative 5 by 4 plus 7 by 4. Here denominators are same. So do the operation on numerators. So negative 5 plus 7 is positive 2. 2 by 4 is 1 by 2. So our answer is x equal 3 or x equal 1 by 2. Okay, x equal 3 or x equal 1 by 2. Now the second question, 2x square plus x minus 4 equals 0. So first what we should do? We want to change the constant to RHS. So 2x square plus x equal positive 4 minus 4 become plus 4. Then we need to get coefficient of x square as 1. But here it is 2. So we need to divide all the terms by 2. So 2x square by 2 is x square. X by 2 itself. Then 4 by 2 is 2. Now we need to find b by 2 whole square. Here what is b? 1 by 2. So coefficient of x 1 by 2. So 1 by 2, then it's half square. So what it will be? 1 by 2 into 1 by 2 into reciprocal of this 2, 1 by 2, multiply them whole square, then 1 by 4 whole square. So 1 by 4 whole square equal what? 1 by 16. So on LHS we should add this 1 by 4 whole square. RHS we should add this answer form 1 by 16. So here we got the form as a square plus 2ab plus b square. So no need to bother about this. From here we got x. From here we got 1 by 4. This symbol is plus, so that we should write. Okay. Now do the LCM method or cross multiplication. Here I do the cross multiplication method. 2 into 16 is 32. Then plus 1 into 1, 1. By 1 into 16, 16. So 33 by 16. The next step we should take the square root on both sides. So here LHS will be x plus 1 by 4. RHS will be root of 33 by 16. Okay. Root of 33 will be root 33 itself. Root 16 will be 4. So we can take it as plus or minus. Okay. So x plus 1 by 4 equal plus or minus root 33 by 4. So both value we want to give. If x plus 1 by 4 is positive root 33 by 4, then x equal what? Root 33 minus 1 by 4. Okay. Then if x plus 1 by 4 is negative root 33 by 4, then negative root 33 minus 1 by 4. So value of x is root 33 minus 1 by 4 or negative root 33 minus 1 by 4. So these are the values of the solutions. Values of the variable. X is root 33 minus 1 by 4 or negative root 33 minus 1 by 4.